Don't pick favorites. It could ruin your relationships at work. I'm Jay Andres, former CEO of Mind to Buy Water and author of The Manager's Bathroom Book. In this video, we'll cover what favoritism is, how to tell if you are picking favorites, what you should do to avoid favoritism, and how you can fix things if you've been playing favorites. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe for more videos about navigating the challenges of work, school, and life. What is favoritism? Favoritism is when a person in power gives preferential treatment to one employee over another, particularly for personal reasons. Here are some examples of what favoritism can look like. A manager offers one of their employees a trip to a major conference without considering other, more qualified candidates. An executive ignores misconduct from an employee while punishing others for the same behavior. A leader consistently gives an employee easier tasks while saving the hard work for others. In extreme cases, it's not too hard to spot favoritism. In more day-to-day scenarios, however, it can be hard for managers to spot favoritism, especially when they're doing it. Here's how you can avoid it. Even if your actions, as well as your intentions, are pure, there's a good chance you may be accused of favoritism. So be vigilant. No matter how informal the context, treat your conversations seriously. Consider how often you have informal conversations with one employee or another. You may not realize it, but your friendliness with one employee may feel alienating to another. Seek as much balance as possible regarding relationships at work. When it comes to important decisions like workload, promotions, and new opportunities, keep track of who is on the receiving end. Make time for all of your employees, even if you don't have an urgent need to. Ask them about their weekend plans or their favorite movie. These little things can go a long way to eliminate any perception of favoritism. It's important to remember that favoritism can be a two-way street. You should be vigilant of attempts by your subordinates to gain your influence at the expense of others. Ultimately, you need to get to know your employees, how they perform, and what they need to succeed. From there, you are in a better position to give them what they need without coming across as picking favorites. You may have realized by now that you are in fact playing favorites in your organization. What can you do about it? Force yourself to seek out dissent, surface resistance, and increase two-way dialogue. Seek common ground and compromise when possible. Do periodic self-audits by simply gauging the amount of time you spent with each of your team. Make a conscious effort to spread yourself around, particularly when it comes to those activities viewed as social in nature. Just make sure that you strike the right balance as you do so. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe.